Hello guys, are you looking to grow your business and sales? Then you are coming to the right place. You can reach your right customers very quickly with setup and manage of your YouTube channel. My name is Saidul Islam. I am a professional YouTube channel management expert. I have been doing this work with great skill for a long time. My services are YouTube channel create, channel setup and management, video SEO from vidIQ and TubeBuddy, channel logo and banner setup, video upload, playlist create, YouTube video ranking, end screen and I button setup. So I can increase the business and sales of any company by setup and manage YouTube channel according to my skills. Thank you.